Build a mountain, 88 counts, 4 walls, ABC phrased advanced. Weight on the left. Part A, total 24 counts, 4 walls. Section 1, make a 180 turn facing 1030 diagonal, forward point. Half back basic, back quarter, quarter forward, now facing 430. Forward sweep, making 180 turn over 3 counts, facing 6. Cross, side, behind. Section 2, big step to the right, drag left over 2 counts. Quarter wind, side, behind, quarter forward, facing 3. Slow forward, pivot half turn. Keep weight on the right. Left twinkle, now facing 9 o'clock. This is the end of part A. Count part A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to do part A total 4 times. The last time, the fourth A, the last section after forward, slow pivot half, facing 12. Instead of left twinkle, you'll do the hold and then do the shimmy to start part B. Part B, total 32 counts, 2 walls. Section 1, left shuffle forward, mumble half, rock, recover, half forward, facing 6. Left kick, hitch half, back. Mumble back with a kick. Back rock with kick, recover, forward. Part B, Section 2. Cross rock, side rock, quarter weave, behind, quarter, forward. 2 slow boogie walk, boogie right, left. 4 quick boogie walks, right, left, right, left. Count Part B, Section 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Part B, Section 3. Right foot, step forward, touch behind, half forward. Repeat, step forward, touch behind, half forward, back to 3 o'clock. Slow forward kick. Behind quarter side cross, facing 6. Section 4, right foot, kick to diagonal, behind side cross. Repeat, kick, behind side cross. The next part, toe, heel, toe section, I'm going to show you facing 12. Your right foot is going to do toe, heel, toe. At the same time, the left foot is going to do heel in, toe in, heel in. Hitch right, step right, drag left. Facing 6, this part will be toe, heel, toe, hitch, side, drag. Count Part B, Section 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. The third B facing 6. The toe, heel, toe section will slow down with the music. It will be 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you'll start Part C. Part C, total 32 counts, 2 walls. The first C start facing 6. It's a full C. The second C start facing 12. Only 24 counts. I'll walk through the first C start facing 6. Make a 180 turn facing 730. Forward right, kick left. Forward left, kick right. Forward right, kick left. Cross 180 back. Square up to 6. Section 2. Extended syncopated weave. Side cross, side behind, side cross, side behind. Ball forward. Pivot half. Keep weight on the right. Now facing 12. Left shuffle forward. Count Part C, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Part C, Section 3. Forward right, make a quarter turn, dip down, point left to the diagonal. Step left, dip down, make a quarter turn, point right forward, facing 12. Ball forward, make a full spiral, back to 12. Shuffle forward on the right. Section 4. Water view. Cross side heel together, cross side heel together. Full water turn. Quarter cross together, quarter cross together, quarter cross together, quarter cross. Back to 12. This is the end of Part C. Count Part C, Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Whole dance count. Part A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The fourth C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Hold, shimmy. Count Part B. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Part B back wall. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. The third C, last section. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and slow down 5, 6, 7, 8. Count Part C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Last C, 24 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Ending. Forward, slow pivot half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transfer right to the left. Step left forward. Raise arm and shake hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. End of the whole dance.